Getsound.ai. What is it? Good question, Terry. Essentially, it will gather location, the weather, the time, the atmosphere, the mood, the city, and creates a never-ending, never-repeating, artificially intelligently driven soundscape. Now, this is perfect for meditators. It's perfect for dancers, people that have a crazy commute, people that want to relax at the end of the day. It's really kind of an all-around, I want to say wellness, but also kind of enhancing app. It's a beautiful, beautiful interface, fun to use, easy to understand, and it's awesome. Really, it's like fun times. So go check it out, go download it, float into the